Hey guys, it's Stephanie with Glam and Glitter Southern Style. Thanks for watching. Today we're going to try out a new foundation, the Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation, and we have an ultra long day ahead of us. So if you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can be connected with me, and then press the notification bell so that you're notified of any videos that I post throughout the week. Please like and comment below, and we'll go ahead and get to it. Okay, so first we're going to start with this new product by BECCA. This is their Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer. So I've already put all my moisturizer on and all of my primer. So you already did that. I'll link below what I used. So I'm just going to do this with my finger and tap a little bit of that in my under eyes. And do the same thing before we put on foundation or concealer, because sometimes my foundation goes all the way under my eyes. I mean, not on purpose, but it just kind of gets up there. So we'll do that. And then today we're going to use the Mercier Flawless Fusion Longwear Foundation. You guys see that okay? And I'm using the color Cashew. So it comes in a pump. I'm going to throw it on my palette, a little metal tray here. Okay, so it's a little thinner than I thought it might be. I'm not going to mix it with my Urban Decay today unless I feel like I need to. So I'm just going to mix this up a bit. And that should match well. So how are you guys doing? I got up early this morning. I already hit the gym. Did some cardio. Walked the dogs. Did my meditation. Now it's coffee and makeup time. Got an appointment later tonight. I'm just going to blend this in, balancing the beauty blender, my damp beauty blender on top of my skin. Just kind of spreading all this out. So far, it looks like it's covering well. I really want to try it on its own without any additional foundations. And I have a long day. So it's 10:06 right now in the morning, and I've got some appointments to do, clients to see. Probably won't be back home till 8 or 9 o'clock tonight. It's crock pot night, so I'm throwing a roast and potatoes and carrots in so that when we get home tonight from work, everything's already made and the house is going to smell awesome. I've got my grocery list already in. I did that this morning before I went to the gym. So I'll pick up groceries. So I don't want to change too much up today because I really do want to test how I like this foundation and how I like this under eye product. So I'm going to use the same like concealers and setting sprays. Actually, I'm going to use a different setting spray. I really want to use one of the ones I just got that I showed you guys in my last video. But everything else will keep the same on the face. Okay, so I'm going to go into concealer. I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape. Light, medium, honey. Do. And I usually wear, when I'm not spray tanned, I usually wear the shade 5.0 in Urban Decay. And if I am spray tanned, I can do like the shade 6.0 because it does oxidize a bit on me. And in the Mercier, I did a little bit of like a tanner today, but I haven't like sprayed like I normally do. So the Cashew works really, really well. And even if I'm darker, I think I could just bronze it up a bit with some bronzer. So I'm thinking the Cashew is a good tone. So, and if I'm the light medium in the Bye Bye foundation by It Cosmetics. So if that's kind of your tone and your shade, the Cashew may be a good color for you, just FYI. So when I do my concealer and I'm blending it under my eyes, I kind of put my chin down to my chest and I look up. And the reason I do that is because I'm trying to alleviate causing as many creases under my eyes as possible while I'm getting this blended. And sometimes I make this lovely face. And it's worth it. Just get that nice and blended. And then I'm going to take my Born This Way, or I'm sorry, this Too Faced setting powder. And I'm going to take my Kat Von D brush. And I'm just going to put a little in the cap. Tap that in there. Tap the excess off. I'm still going to put my chin down to my chest and just hit the areas with powder where we had the concealer. And I'm going to grab a little bit more powder, tap the excess, and set the rest of my face. And this is the same powder I usually use, so I don't want to change that part up when I test this foundation out. And I'll try to do a wear test for you guys today. Like I said, I have a busy day, and so I don't want to forget. The good thing is I've already worked out, so it'll just be a wear test on how it wears just on a normal day. Okay, so now let's go to bronzer. I'm going to do my normals, my Hoola by Benefit, and my Butter bronzer. So I'm just going to grab a blending brush, blend those out. Alrighty, so next we're going to contour. So the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. Grab her brush. I use these two colors. Alright. Let's go to bronzer, or I'm sorry, bronzer. Let's go to blush. So today we're going to use BH Cosmetics, the Nude palette. I've got my blush brush. So what we're going to do, I'm going for these three colors, just kind of dab, dab, dab. Throw it on the apples. Dab, dab, dab. Lightly applying. I'll blend that out a little bit better here. A second, so just grab a blending. Alright, so we're going to take our Laura Geller Gilded Honey Highlighter. You guys had a good weekend. We had a super busy one with work. Lots of appointments. On my days off, we did yard work. Trying to get everything ready for spring. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to set it with the OFRA Makeup Fixer. I've never used this before, so we're going to try this out. It smells really good. It smells clean. I'm going to go with my damp beauty blender, put my chin to my chest again. Make sure I'm don't have anything creasing. Just lightly bouncing my damp beauty blender. All right, I'm going to go do eyes and then I'll come back and show you the final look. Hey guys, so this is the final look. I got my lashes on, so we are good to go. Nice and glam. I got Charlie Bear here. He wants to say hello. Say hello, everybody. Getting all purdy with my mama. So we have the final look. Got lips on. I used my Colourpop BFF lip liner and a Colourpop Lippy lipstick. I'll link that below for you guys. And then topped it off with my Dior Lip Maximizer gloss. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified of any videos that I post. Comment, give me your love, tell me what you liked. And if you want to see more foundation videos, let me know. I do have an arsenal because I like to switch it up quite a bit. So I've got plenty of options there. And have a great day. Talk to you soon. Hey guys, so it is 9:34 p.m., almost 12 hours. I'm super tired. It was a great day. Lots of appointments and progress made from a business standpoint. Chilling with the doggies right now. We just had dinner. And my husband's watching Motor Monday. So he's doing his thing. I got Max or Daxter here. And Charlie Bear wants up. But wanted to just do a quick check-in. I tried to do one earlier in the car, but it didn't work out so well. Trying to drive. Don't recommend that. So anyways, just wanted to give you guys a quick update. So it's been almost 12 hours. I really haven't touched up at all today. I am a little oily around my T-zone area, which I kind of don't mind. I mean, today it was like 75 degrees outside. And I was in and out quite a bit meeting sellers. So this is pretty well put together for me still with it being such a long day. And I didn't touch up. I think I just ran a tissue over just super lightly around 4 o'clock today before one of my appointments. So wanted to give you guys that feedback. I've been really happy with this foundation. Lately, I've been feeling like some of my Urban Decay, my all-nighter, and the formulas that I'm mixing it with, it seems to be breaking up my nose throughout the day, and I don't know if it's something I'm doing, if I'm rubbing it during the day, not realizing it. I do have some merch where my sunglasses were today, but, you know, I was in the car for like an hour here and an hour there, so that's not uncommon for me to have that, so I don't judge the foundation for that. So I just want to let you guys know what my thoughts were, and I hope you guys are having a great day, have a great week, and we'll touch base soon. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to continue to see videos that I put out, and if you want to hit the notification bell, you'll be notified. Comments, likes below, all your love, and I look forward to talking with y'all soon. Have a great night. Bye-bye.